Thank you so much for making the decision to eliminate obstacles holding you back from the body and health you admire, respect, and deserve. I am your Fit and Fab Coach Cass, and I'm very happy you will be joining me in one of my upcoming Body Development Success Plan Master Workshops. It is this exact type of plan I'm providing to you that I personally decided to implement for myself to live a fit and fab lifestyle not long ago. And I didn't stop there with just me. I was courageous enough to rebuild my entire business of almost 20 years around this new attainable and sustainable way of life, one that offered real freedom to me, and I know will do the same for you. As a recap, this workshop will, number one, provide you with the vital questions you haven't considered but need to be able to answer honestly if you're ready to go to that next level. Number two, provide you with the first set of steps you must complete if you want real, sustainable mind, body, or health change now. And three, teach you how to paint your own vivid picture. So are you ready to get what's yours? If yes, please provide your information by completing a simple form below to get notified before anyone else as soon as the workshop is scheduled. I'm looking forward to seeing you there. I'm the Fit and Fab Coach Cass and proud founder of Super Me Coaching. It is with great pride and pleasure that I help corporate executive, mid-level management, and successful entrepreneurial women confidently ditch the dieting mentality and rigid fitness rules and perfect how to eat better, get fit, and prioritize her health on her own terms.